Welcome back to episode 8 of Talking Success. My name is Davion, and today I'm with my co-host,
Kenidy.
And today we're going to be talking about the best investing apps for beginners and just advanced people. All around, just the best apps. Mm-hmm. But before we get into that, if you guys want to go ahead and, invest in that video. Invest in that subscribe button.
Invest in the comments.
Go ahead and invest in it in an odd number of times for the like and subscribe button. So like 3, 6, 9, until it turns gray.
Invest in the bell too. The bell.
Yeah.
Gotta invest in the bell.
Mm-hmm. Well, with that being said, let's get right into the video.
Investing your money can be one of the best decisions that somebody can make. But most people don't know how or where to start. But today we're going to help you out with that by telling you all the apps that you can do it with. And these are some of the best ones. Now for beginners, investing can be a little tricky. So you want to pick apps that are beginner friendly and simple to navigate. And here are a few examples of that.
Now first on the list we have Stash. Stash has a beginner friendly account, but it also has accounts for you to grow as an investor over time as well. With just $1 a month, you can have a personal investment account and you can have a stock back card. A stock back card is a card that Stash provides you with. It's essentially a debit card. And when you make purchases with that card, Stash will then give you percentages of stock in those companies.
Another app is Acorns. Now, Acorns is a personal favorite because I know I personally use it and Davion uses it. And again, it's another app for $1 a month. You can use it and all of its features. Acorns also offers diversified portfolios and portfolio rebalancing. So basically, they will invest and balance your portfolio automatically. They also offer something called roundups, which is where they take your spare change and invest that. Acorns also offers reoccurring investments. Now, this is a set dollar amount that you set that is invested at a time that you set also. So you can set a $5 amount to be invested into a stock every week, every day, every month, however you decide. You can choose that time.
Now third, we have Public. Now Public is a little different than the other ones. It still only costs $1 a month to use their platform, but it's a little different because it's a social media investing platform. And what that means is with Public, they have a social media feed where you can see what other people are investing in, as well as there are clickable terms, and so you can learn what the terms are as well. Public makes it a lot easier to learn how to invest and for you to continue to grow as an investor and see what your friends, peers, or mentors are investing in as well.
Now, once you get more comfortable with investing and a little bit more experience, you can start using the next couple apps that we're going to tell you about. Titan offers fractional share trading, digital vaults, 0% fees, and portfolio managers. But what really distinguishes Titan from other apps is that they offer you growth strategies in your investing to help you reach your goals. First strategy that Titan offers is Flagship. Flagship is aimed to identify high-quality companies that can compound your capital. Next is Flagship Opportunities. This strategy targets small businesses that are likely to have a successful growth rate. The last strategy that they offer is Titan Offshore. This targets businesses that are overseas.
Another app that even I use is Robinhood. Robinhood is an app that's growing in popularity that allows you to invest in general stocks as well as funds and a plethora of other features as well. Robinhood also gives you access to the cryptocurrency market and this feature called cash management. Their cash management allows you to earn 0.3% APY as well as access to over 75,000 ATMs across the globe. Robinhood also has a gold feature. This gold feature gives you access to research reports, the ability to trade on a 2.5% margin, as well as a host of other features that could be included with that.
Lastly is TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade offers commission-free trading. They also have a wide range of investment options. With TD Ameritrade, you can invest in stocks, mutual funds, commission-free ETFs, Forex, futures, and more. They also offer educational options within the app to help with guidance. You can also view data and insights from their third parties like Morningstar, CFRA, and The Street.
Overall, when picking an app to invest with, you want to make sure that you look for hidden fees, monthly charges, if the UI is easy to use and navigate for you, and overall if it has any research or educational features as well.
Now, these are just some of the best apps in our opinion. Overall, we just encourage everyone to invest their money. It's one of the smartest things you can do with your money. How, where, or what you do this through is up to you. These are just our opinion. We're just trying to put y'all on to some of the best options.
At the end of the day, we just want to see everybody make some extra money when you retire. You don't want to be 60 still slaving a 12-hour, 16-hour shifts, it's gonna be rough. Back gonna break, hip gonna give out, hemorrhoids, knees.
Hope not. I don't wish hemorrhoids for nobody.
I don't wish them for nobody either, but if you're putting in that work at that old of an age, especially if you're keeping up on your health, it's gonna be rough. So make sure you invest now while you're young, and that way at the end of the day, when it's time for you to kick back, play with your grandkids, you ain't got to sit in an ice bath every time you're done.
Literally.
But with that being said, that's a wrap to episode 8 of Talking Success. We appreciate you guys for watching. Like, subscriptions, comments, and notifications, turn them all on, but we also appreciate anybody who's already been doing that.
Literally. And make sure to check out our last video, which should be showing up in a moment on the screen.
Yeah, and without further ado, we out of here.